Hello to you. Come with me on a tour of this lovely 4-bedroom mansion that is located in Tigoni. If you'd love to live like royalty, then this is the home for you. You're gonna love it. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home located in a gated community of 60 homes. First off is the living room, which has mahogany wooden floors. I love how this home has mixed the old and the new. So you have like nice wooden floors from the olden era, but you have beautiful light fixtures, you have beautiful modern windows. It's a beautiful blend. The living room then opens up into the barbecue area where you'll be hosting your friends and family on the weekends for game night, drinks, trauma. I love those windows. And then this way you also have a mini bar. And then an open plan kitchen that has an island. The kitchen comes fitted with Bosch products. And a breakfast area on this side, and then the dining area right there. Then next, let's go upstairs. I love this staircase. When you reach this top floor, you have a balcony that overlooks the front lawn and also gives you a really nice view of the rest of the community. Very beautiful, green, well organized. And you can have a glass of wine here in the evenings as you watch the sunset. This is the master bedroom. High ceilings, plenty of natural light, and a walk-in closet. And the grand master bathroom. You have a bathtub, a shower cubicle, and a his and hers sink. I always fall in love with bathrooms that have a lot of windows. It gives you a better experience. You also have a family room or entertainment area or your TV area on this side. And then on this other wing, you have 2 bedrooms that are equal in size. This is bedroom number 3. All bedrooms are ensuite. And bedroom number 4. Tigoni is a place to watch where we'll see a lot of growth in the next few years because of the serene environment and great accessibility. All roads, infrastructure in place here, and we'd love you to come and experience this fine country living.